मुझे रेबीज का इंजेक्शन लेना है.
So you got vaccination before few months?
This is my 4th injection. Today will be the 4th one.
Okay. We will try on the way some small place.
Okay.
We'll see, right? Otherwise, we have to go to the hospital.
Okay. It's not available here.
He says better go to the hospital. Yeah.
For humans, it's not available.
No.
For animals.
Okay. Yeah.
मैं जा रहा हूँ, आशा करते हैं यहाँ रेबीज इंजेक्शन मिल जाए. गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल है, पैसे लगेंगे नहीं, लेकिन हमने बाहर भी ढूंढा, कहीं पर भी इंजेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा. Let's hope we get it here. Wow, it's full of people.
Yeah, it's cool. So first
मेरा कमरा. तो ये है मेरा अनुराधापुरा में होम स्टे. और रात भर मैं अकेला ही था यहाँ, और कोई नहीं था. So he is my host and he loves Tamil movies. So which was the last movie you saw?
Last movie. Avan.
Avan
2 days
Avan?
before. Just
Oh.
watched it in the TV.
So who is the actor there?
Actor, of course, I forgot. It is 2 new actors. I forgot their names.
Huh.
But good action movie.
Great. So you love action movies?
Yeah.
Okay. And favorite actor? Yours?
For me, of course, mainly, of course, Vijay's movies.
Thalapathy.
Vijay and Arjun.
Okay.
Arjun, Thalapathy Vijay, even Rajinikanth movies.
Okay. But I have all the people that I have met in
Surya.
Sri Lanka. Thalapathy is number one. Surya. Like these two actors are like everybody loves in Sri Lanka.
Even Vikram, there he's doing some superb characters. Vikram, even Kamal Hassan, he's also doing some superb acting.
No, most of these actors are superb. But I've seen in Sri Lanka, Thalapathy is the big one. So do they release movies here in cinema halls simultaneously?
Yeah, some now there is a connection with some Indian companies and some movies, of course, with the first day release in India. Now Sri Lanka also they are targeting with some theaters are there with the person who's bringing having the license to bring Tamil movies to Sri Lanka. So he has been signed some agreements and taken over some theaters around the country where most of the Tamil community and where the people who's loving to watch Tamil movies. So on the same day with India, he's
get
releasing
released
the movie
here.
here.
Okay.
Sometimes he used to bring one of the actor also for the first day first show in Sri Lanka for one
For
of
the promotion.
for the promotion.
Great.
Even to open up renovating and opening up the theaters also they used to bring.
Wow.
Even in my hometown, they brought Sarath Kumar for the opening of the theater.
Oh, nice.
They brought Sarath.
But why you think people love Thalapathy so much in Sri Lanka?
I think the way how he behave and the
Behave in the
characters
sense
he's
that he
doing-
act?
act and he's doing 100% for the character he's doing and mainly for his action things and some comedy things, everything,
Dance.
and the story of the movie.
Dancing.
Even whether there is not a serious story, also people is enjoying the particular movie.
And you love his dancing?
Yeah, you know, dancing skills.
Yeah, his songs are pretty famous across India.
That's true.
And actress? Any good
That's
actor?
also same.
Which actress you love the most?
Even like Simran, Jyotika, Nayanthara.
Who is your most favorite?
uh,
Like when you know that her movie is getting released, I have to watch it.
most of the times like Jyotika's movies I use. Surya and Jyotika, they got hit from the movie called Kaka Kaka Police.
Oh,
The police movie.
Yeah.
Kitulgala. in that particular stream area in Mahadadi, the Kalani River area, in that area,
Yeah.
that particular area, late 19, early 1990s, there was an English movie has been filmed in that particular location. The movie
Okay.
called Bridge on the River Kwai.
Oh, that's a
That
very famous
particular-
movie.
Yeah, that particular location is there.
Okay.
In that Kitulgal area, the bridge is still there, the film location, everything is there.
Oh, is it
So
tourist
there-
spot?
Yeah, mainly for rafting and all people going.
Okay.
And some landmarks, the spots are there, the mentioned boats are there, which is located for the.
That's a movie from 70s.
Yes,
Bridge on the
late
River
70s,
Kwai.
the Bridge on the
Very
River
super hit movie. Iconic movie.
Then in same location, the same area, they have taken it for the Kaka Kaka police, the
Oh.
location area.
Okay, sir. He's my host and
Okay.
Mr.
Bradley.
Brady. Thanks. Thank you. सेकेंड डे इन अनुराधापुरा। तो सुबह उठा, कॉफ़ी पी रहे थे तो मेरे होस्ट से बात करने लग गया। होस्ट मेरी तरह थोड़ा बातूनी है और श्रीलंका में वही होता है, किसी से भी आप बात करो तो टॉपिक आ जाता है तमिल फिल्मों पर। और यहाँ तो लोग इंडिया वालों की तरह ही है, पूरे दीवाने हैं तमिल मूवीज़ के। थलपति द सुपरस्टार, एवरीबॉडी लव्स हिम।
Maybe you want to buy some sneakers, right?
Oh yeah,
Some flip-flop.
one big shop is there
Yeah.
on the right.
Yes, yes.
Pharmacy, yeah, that one.
This one.
Yeah.
We will ask, right? I'm not sure because.
It's okay, I will ask.
Yeah.
You can park it. मुझे रेबीज का इंजेक्शन लेना है।
So you got vaccination before few months?
This is my 4th injection. Today will be the 4th one.
Uh-huh.
You stay here, my bag is
Okay,
there.
sure.
I'll ask them. तो मुझे रेबीज का एक चौथा इंजेक्शन है और यहाँ Do you have rabies injection? Rabies injection? Rabies, dog bite.
Yeah, we have.
Where can I get?
You can get the pharmacy.
Which pharmacy?
You can go on this street.
Straight.
Yeah, street on this street.
How far is it? Pochara Durga.
Hospital and
Yes. I told him, yes.
Yeah.
Hospital I'll
You
get.
can go to no, Rajasthan.
Rajustali? Ah, okay. We will try on the way some small place.
Okay.
We'll see, right? Otherwise, we have to go to the hospital.
Okay, we'll go and finish it.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So before how many months you got the vaccination? One
This
or
is 4th month. No, there is a protocol how you have to
right,
take
right.
it.
Okay.
Or first day, 3rd day, 7th day,
Yeah.
15th day, like that.
Okay.
Today is the 15th day.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ඔව් රාජ්‍යෝත්සවයෙන් කො මෙහෙට එන්නේ කියලා.
human එක නේ.
නෑනේ. එන හොස්පිටල් විතර තියෙනනේ.
human එක මේ නෑනේ.
Hospital තවනේ.
It's not available here.
He says better go to the hospital. Yeah.
For humans, it's not available.
No.
For animals.
Okay. Yeah. He told don't find anywhere.
Yeah.
So only from
So
the
let's go to their
hospital.
Yeah.
Yes.
यहाँ से पहले मैंने तीसरा रेबीज़ इंजेक्शन कैंडी में लिया था आसिरी हॉस्पिटल में, और मुझे याद है वो इंजेक्शन इंडिया में मिलने वाले इंजेक्शन से 4 या 5 गुना अधिक महंगा था।
Who is that guy?
Yes.
Who is he? The
Yeah, he's a
statue?
famous soldier, right? He's a hero. We call Densil Kobbak Aduga.
So why he is famous?
Because he was a good person, as we heard from the armed soldiers.
Okay.
He was a commander for the armed soldiers in the olden day, but he was he got to a bomb with his jeep, right? For the LTT terrorists.
He was killed by LTT?
Yes, LTT terrorists.
But he was a brave soldier.
Yes. Just brave.
मैं जा रहा हूँ, आशा करते हैं यहाँ रेबीज़ इंजेक्शन मिल जाए। गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल है, पैसे लगेंगे नहीं, लेकिन हमने बाहर भी ढूंढा, कहीं पर भी इंजेक्शन नहीं मिल रहा। Let's hope we get it here. Wow, it's full of people.
Yeah, it's full. So firstly we have to get the receipt.
Heavily crowded.
Yes.
You can ask her. No?
Yes. Good morning. Indian clinic. මෙයාට rabies vaccine එක ගන්න පුළුවන් නේද? හරි. Yes.
Thank you. Can we just ask her whether it's available or not? Is it available?
It's available, but better we have to meet the doctor, right? So he will give us the advice what we have to do, right? It's
No.
available definitely.
If it's there, I can show the prescription and we can take it. No?
Outside?
No, here only.
No.
It's not allowed?
No, not allowed.
Okay.
Can you please?
Hi. We need passport.
Passport on any? Indian.
Thank you.
Yes. අතන යන්නේ.
ඔව් ඒක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මේ ડોක්ටර් ගාවට අරයන්
හා.
පොඩක්
B.
කවුද මේ අපි දැන් අතර කරමු ඩයරෙක්ට් එකක් නම්බර් එක ගන්න
Ready help you. Otherwise you will fed up Sri Lanka. That's why.
No, Sri Lanka, everybody is so nice.
Is this looks like in India hospital? Same.
Some are even worse.
Yes, like this. queue.
Government hospitals will be like this only,
Yes,
no,
yes,
everywhere.
yes,
Yes.
yeah. So I can stay outside, right? If you want, I can take you back.
You can just tell it
Yes.
because if they are not able
Maybe
to
I'm not
understand,
allowed to inside. I think so.
we'll ask.
Yeah. මටත් එන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Hold it. It's on.
Yeah, sure.
It's on.
It's on, right? මේක කමන්න නැද්ද මේ මෙයා කැමරා එක ඔන් එක කමන්න නැහැ නේද?
Camera
Ah, එයා ආසයි හැමතැනම වීඩියෝ කරගන්න.
ඇතුලේ බෑ.
ආයතන බෑ.
ඔන් ඔෆ් කරගන්න.
So you have to switch off, right? This switch, yeah, inside.
रेबीज इंजेक्शन लगा लिया है फ्री में श्रीलंका में। पहले वाले इंजेक्शन के तो मुझे 4 गुना पैसे देने पड़े थे और इसी इंजेक्शन के, और उसमें दर्द भी हुआ था। यहाँ पर दर्द भी नहीं हुआ, पैसे भी नहीं लगे, तो दोनों तरफ से दर्द नहीं हुआ, पैसे का भी दर्द नहीं हुआ और शारीरिक दर्द भी नहीं हुआ। और थैंक्स टू माई टुक टुक ड्राइवर, विद हिज हेल्प आई वॉज एबल टू डू इट फॉर फ्री एंड सो कन्वीनियंटली।
Family, happy to help you.
Yeah, so nice of you. Okay, let's hit the road. Let's go to Mihintale, where Buddhism was introduced in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Let's इसको